This is the beginning of the whole thing, right?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, I'm Bobby.
Hey, I'm Tyler.
And we are in Iceland in winter on the Golden Circle Tour,
Which is a day-long adventure visiting beautiful sites just outside of Reykjavik. This is part of the Community Links International program where they bring knitters to different places around the world, connecting them with local communities.
So let's start with checking out Thingvellir National Park. It's a tough language.
It is. Be careful. Just about slipped and broke my coccyx. We're all good though. We're all good. We're good. We're good.
Don't do that, anybody. My land.
This is his land. He's so excited.
I hope that you all can see this on the camera. Okay, this is where the American and Eurasian tectonic plates are coming together right here. It's incredible. Yeah, it really is.
Thingvellir. Shit. Thingvellir is really important in Icelandic history because in 930, this was where their parliament was founded. It was a good spot for all the chieftains of the island to convene, and for years and years and years, this has been the site of the parliamentary convention.
They have a gift shop and hopefully restroom here at Thingvellir National Park. Oh, it's warm in here.
We've just lost track of our limited time here and aren't able to browse the visitor center. They also have a rather large gift shop, camping grounds, hiking trails, and even scuba diving in Silfra Lake, with incredible visibility between the underwater tectonic plates. But we gotta go. The bus
Hey,
awaits.
it's time to get on the bus and head to the next location. Hurry, we're gonna miss the bus.
We made it. Bonus stop on the Golden Circle Tour, Estadalur Ice Cream Dairy Farm. They do skyr, butter, cheese, ice cream.
And they make all their own, raise their own cows, and they only make it for their restaurant. And they have a fabulous doggy.
Who loves to chase
Rocks, because they don't have sticks here, so he loves chasing a rock.
I hear cows. Are there cows in the ice cream parlor? See?
You can sit down in here and eat in a cafe and look into the barn and see the cows.
Do you mind if I film you while you're doing this?
Oh, you can do it.
Thank you.
So I just ordered one of their new flavors she was telling me about, which is rhubarb and caramel.
Oh yeah.
And in a cone, they make their own cones. Fabulous, thank you.
Enjoy, sir.
Tyler, what would you like?
What's the white Twix?
I usually get it at lunchtime.
Okay.
It's really good.
It's your lunchtime ice cream.
Yeah.
Sure. I'm working here. I always can get ice cream. That's why
I would too.
Yeah.
I want to do the white Twix.
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you.
Happy.
Yay.
Happy people. Happy
Yes.
customers. That's great.
White Twix, which is a departure for me since I usually love brightly colored ice creams. And I've got all the lovely ladies who produced this ice cream right behind me right now. So
Thanks, ladies. She's doing scratchies on her neck on the edge of the wood, and it feels so good. Her tongue's going crazy.
Do I have ice cream all over?
Ice cream in Iceland in winter is way underrated.
Continuing our journey along the Golden Circle, we arrive at Iceland's most visited set of geysers, the Geysir hot spring area. So famous is this ferociously hot water, the word Geysir, or geyser, originates from this fountain.
Even in the winter in the Golden Circle, the Geysir Park is very crowded. Lots of tour buses, lots of folks, lots of things to do here too. Restaurant, there's a hotel, there's a cantina, there's a little tiny gas station as well. Oh, and I guess there's a geyser as well. Let's go see if we can find that. The geothermal activity has begun. I know I shouldn't think of it this way, but I look at that Geysir and it's like a spa. Like I'm about to have a spa day. Some nice bubbling bath water. Our fabulous tour guide Hildy said that if you've arrived at what you think is the Geysir and it hasn't gone off in 10 minutes, you're not in the right place. This geyser, it's just going all the time. Somebody's kept on the on switch, I guess. It's also known as the stroker Geysir. And the Old Faithful, Bobby's mouthing it.
Iceland.
The Old Faithful of Iceland. Old Faithful of Iceland. Yeah, cool.
Although the grandfather of all geysers, the Great Geysir, is now mostly dormant, visitors can see other active geysers like Stroker, which can shoot up into the air 100 feet and erupts every few minutes. It's the tectonic plates under Iceland rubbing against each other that makes this area pulsate with thermal activity. With a little patience, we hope to experience the wonder of nature's pressurized plumbing spout. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Neither Tyler or I have ever seen a geyser or geysir, as they say in Iceland, before, and we just got to see it together. I've seen videos, of course, but wow, it's so different when you're here. The sound and the power, the feeling of it, it's really cool.
Time for lunch! We're making a quick stop at Fritzhamer, one of Iceland's largest tomato producers. Inside, you'll find a restaurant, bar, gift shop, and of course, tomatoes. A veritable jungle of tomatoes.
This greenhouse for tomatoes, they're growing tomatoes out in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of winter in Iceland. And we're going to go eat some soup that they've made from these tomatoes, and I've heard they have tomato ice cream, and I've got to try that.
Inside 5,000 square meters of greenhouses, it's a balmy, year-round temperature of about 77 degrees. Heated with geothermal water from springs below the property, it's perfectly suited for tomatoes and humans alike.
Hey, tomato soup.
If you stop here for lunch, you'll find tomato soup, bread,
It smells just like tomato soup.
tomato water, tomato coffee, tomato beer,
And yep, tomato ice cream. That's right, it's a 2 ice cream day.
And it's tomato flavored ice cream?
It tastes vanilla-y to me.
I'm here.
So maybe it's
a
just
little
tomato.
strawberry to me.
Well, she said the syrup that they used in my coffee
I love
was
the size of your spoon.
Wow.
I have ice cream all over me, in my beard, on my sweater. I think it's good. I better take another bite first. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for a napkin.
I want to get a souvenir from here. For some reason I had it in my head to get something from the tomato farm. And here's a red hot sauce with bell pepper. Red, pretty. I'm gonna get it. Eat it at home.
Having successfully completed our tomato culinary adventure, we head outside to meet the farm's horses. Icelandic horses, of course. Hildy has been keeping our bus warm as we board to visit our final and possibly most stunning destination of the day.
And now our next fabulous stop is at Gulffoss.
Gulffoss?
Waterfall. Oh, what's in the lens?
Don't worry about that.
Oh, okay.
Gulffoss.
Gulffoss Waterfall, which means golden waterfall. Let's go
Not
see.
to be confused with golden showers. I wasn't paying attention when we were driving at this last stretch and I didn't even know where we were heading.
Oh my land.
And this is incredible. Oh my god.
Wow. Epic, absolutely epic.
There are trails to walk from the parking lot at Gulffoss that give you different perspectives on the waterfall. So we're climbing these stairs right now to go to the first lookout.
This snow is so deep right here. So deep right here, reminds me of the snow forts I used to build as a kid. That brings back some good memories.
Gulffoss has actually 2 waterfalls, and the first waterfall is about 11 meters drop, and then the second waterfall is about 20 meters drop. So 31 meters altogether from top to bottom.
There's another trail down below that goes right up to the top of the falls where the water's falling over. I'm guessing it's open in summer. It's closed off right now. I would love to go right next to the water. It was really amazing to come around the bend and the sound of the water just got louder and louder and louder, and then I could peer over the edge and it's just roaring. This concludes our brief and fabulous tour around the Golden Circle. What a great note to end it on at the waterfall.
We're piling back into the bus right now to head back to Reykjavik. It's been about, I don't know, we've done it in about 6 hours. All these stops, you could take longer. I don't think you could take shorter. Our stops are pretty quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could easily make a longer day out of this.
Thanks a lot for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video.
Can't wait.
How do you say goodbye? Actually, I don't know. In
Oh,
Icelandic?
no.
Do you?
No,
Okay.
I don't. So, takk fyrir. Takk fyrir for
But-
watching.
Huh? Oh, yes. Takk fyrir for watching.
Takk fyrir for watching.
Bye.
Bye.